Pampauto. Babe. Smell it. Yeah. Smells good. Hello, ma'am. Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Where? Really?
Yeah.
I thought you came from Colombia, Mexico.
No.
Look at your skin.
I know, it's the Italian.
Just came from America. Can you shout out Justin Bieber?
Justin Bieber.
All good in the hood. So ma'am, this is the church that 7 times destroy, 8 times reconstruct.
7 times destroyed.
Yeah, 7 times destroy, 8 times reconstruct. Lastly, by the war. That's why you could see American and Japanese flag. Model from America. You just sit here, ma'am, in the middle. 1 up, 1 down. Yeah, like that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Your foot up. Yeah, like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Side view. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Look at here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is your Instagram. So this, ma'am, you can go here in the middle. So this church, ma'am, is the the structure that never destroyed by war. That's why it was protected by UNESCO. And the oldest stone church in the Philippines. That is San Agustin Church. Question for you. The ceilings, what's look like? Sculpture, carved, or paintings?
Paintings.
Yeah, you're right. It's, ma'am, look.
It looks so really
Yeah, it's Trompe oil paintings. Painted by 2 Italian artists. Philippine Lamborghini, Philippine Ferrari. Many people living here just like the streets.
Yeah.
There's around 5,000 families living here.
Around 5,000 families.
Yes, living here. Residential area. And they called it as a USA. United Squatters Area. Or where the poor people live. But the good thing, they never buy tourists. Only they jamming. So the place that need to pay ticket for 75 pesos, ma'am, is student. 50 pesos. The red building in your left side, that is First Public High School in Manila since 1893. So, when you said Intramuros before, this is the only city in Manila. They have 7 universities, 7 church, and 7 gates. Only city. So, ma'am, I hope you enjoy our tour.
I did. It was
All good in
awesome.
the head.
Yeah.